Today I'm going to show you how to create your mood board in Pinterest. So let's get started.
Hey y'all, I'm Autumn Evans, strategic branding and website designer. I work for service providers and female entrepreneurs who want to elevate their brand to turn heads and open wallets. I'm sharing with you my top tricks and tips for you to do the same. So let's go.
Alright, so we're going to get started on creating your mood board in Pinterest. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Pinterest and then you're going to click on boards. And then you'll go to that designing board, which I've already created. And when you create one, you can also add your designer right here by clicking this add button. And you can put in an email or a name right here, and they will give that to you. And so one of the things I did, if you click on edit right here, you can add your description. So one of the things I tell my clients to add their description in here is your value proposition statement, which if you're working with a brand strategist, you will get one of these. So mine is Evans Desk and Design. It's a strategic website and branding company that caters to female service providers and entrepreneurs by providing strategic design that helps them turn heads and open wallets so that they can grow their business to unbelievable heights. And then I have my tone words in here. Again, if you're working with brand strategists, they will work with you on this to show you how to get your tone words. So my tone words are calm, confident, creative, feminine, and modern. And my colors that I like are navy, blush, teal, tan, and cream. And so that's all you need, and you can add that. That way you can kind of like keep in mind what your vision statement is in your tone and everything. So I've created a few in here, and as you can see, they're pretty consistent on the colors. These are the colors that I actually use in my own branding, and so I just wanted to create a new brand mood board so that and take you through that process. And so once you have some in here, it'll also show some like examples down here as well. And so you can pin these as well. And when you click on that, it'll come up with some different things. And so one of the things I was doing is feminine and calm and modern. And a lot of these fit that profile. So what you're going to do is just click on an image. I really like this. And this has some fonts in it as well. And it doesn't have to have all the colors. I don't use gold in my branding, but this has like some teal and some navy and some blush in it. So I'm going to save this. And you just continue looking through here, and a way you can find some is by searching. So when I work with service providers, so I'll search like desk, navy, and blush. So you can search by like the colors, and you can search by like, you know, like a room or an object. And then you can, as you can see, like I pinned that one that's already in mine. And so like it comes up with all of these, and you can just add those to your board. So, and like I like this, like I don't want my house designed like that wall, but it shows that creative and kind of like geometric patterns and creative side. So I'm going to go ahead and add this as well. And you just select the board that you're going to do and click save. And you just keep going through this, and you might want to search for like some of those tone words, like calm, navy, And you can like add branding. So I like this as well, so I can add that. And you're just going through it like this as well, and we can add that. And this will give you some ideas on those fonts and some colors, some additional colors, and some patterns and some textures, like textures that you like. And so that's basically what you do. You just go through here, you kind of search those, you know, focusing on your ideal client, what they would be looking at, and the kind of feel and the design that you like. And you just keep adding those. And then once you add those, you will go to your board and let's go there. And then once you get to your board, you're going to go through here and you're going to delete the things that like maybe you accidentally pinned or just doesn't quite fit. And you're going to curate and get like maybe 5 to 8 images of this. And then you're going to put it on a mood board in Canva, which I'm going to show you next week how to create this mood board in Canva.